Hello everyone, this is a short tutorial about how to obtain a 3D model from a preparative imaging study. In this case, we are going to obtain a 3D model from the colon anatomy. For this aim, we are going to use the 3DSlicer platform. The first step is to open the study in Tycoon format and change the view for a better visualization. The next step is to find a starting point for the segmentation. Then we are going to open the segment editor tool. For our case, we need to add two different segments, blue and yellow. Then we need to open the painting tool and change the size of the brush. The next step is to place the yellow seeds over the colon anatomy and the blue seeds on those parts that we want to remove from the segmentation. The contour solution helps us to improve the segmentation process. To finish, we need to place the blue seeds to locate the top and bottom of the segmentation. And now we initialize the growing seeds tool. Okay, done. We need to check if we have some pending anatomical parts of the colon. We see that some of the areas with contrast are missing. Let's check the 3D view of our segmentation. As we see, we have obtained a very decent version of the colon anatomy. However, let's go to try again and see if we can get a better result. As you can see, it's still missing some areas with contrast. This 3D model looks much better. We're going to fix the missing parts in real time. For this aim, we select the painting tool without cancelling the previous segmentation, so we can add the missing parts. Sometimes we have some ground structures that we want to remove. To illustrate that, let's make a mistake on purpose and then we will fix it with the scissors tool. Now we see this new fragment from the bowel. You have to finish the growing seeds process before using the scissors tool. Then we can choose the scissors, which will allow us to remove the round fragments. And that's it. Finally, you need to choose the segment tool to export the segmentation into a 3D model. Here, we can change the destination folder. And here you can choose the file format for the 3D file. In our case, we are going to use an STL format. And here we have our 3D column model from a preparative imaging study.